Okay, so I've got a little task. This is some extra paint I got. It's like enamel paint, it's not even acrylic, but I don't care, it will work with the whatever mixing formula for the bronze powder. And this is the, I guess, aluminum powder. These are some brushes I got and a Sharpie stick and some quick sketch I tried to see if my arm is still working. Obviously I'm gonna do a better job than that, but I just quickly looked about the sizes of everything, and this would probably be just a rough idea, and I will show you where all of this is going to go. Yep. Let's see. So that's basically plastic planks, I think, and we are not in a nice shape. We are damaged. That's why I've been asked to paint something over it, or just do a little doodle art or something like that. So I don't even know if it would be a mural or not, but I don't know, we'll do something, because we found some wallpaper, so I gotta go something similar with a theme and do, you know, flowery stuff. That's the style basically. So we'll see how this is going to end, because I practically have only black, silver, bronze, and what else? Black, silver, bronze, and white, and brown. So I don't really want to use brown on green. It's gonna look weird unless I would do a tree, but I will do something more florally than that. So we'll see. Let's get going. So that's a rough sketch. I don't know if you can see anything. Did it with chalk. It's like just big, something similar to the poppies, but it's not really. Some, you know, the red mushroom, the poisonous one, I forgot the name in English. A moth. And then just some space fillers, some branches with little leaves. So we'll see. So far, what I've come up with. Be more paint. It's gonna be more colorful then. Let's see. So far, what I've got, I don't know. I forgot that. I mean, this was free, that's why I'm using it. But obviously, enamel paint is super shiny and super runny, so when you put it on the you try to mix it, it doesn't really mix, so I mix it on top of the color, which is not really mixing, and it runs like in drips, but whatever. I don't know what is this, it's too funny. But it had to be girly, it had to be whatever what she asked me to do. So far so good. I don't know if you can hear me from the mask. Gonna paint some green now because it's gonna dry out. I need to use it and it doesn't have a tap. I need some dimension on the mauve butterfly thingy, but we'll add it later. Let's do the green now. Let's see so far.